This is a space where kids can dream. They can put those dreams into action. Students begin with 12 to 18 in-classroom lessons at the 5th and 6th grade level. One of those final activities has the students applying for jobs here at GA BizTown. Because at GA BizTown, students serve in the role of consumer because they actually get paid. So they're an associate at one of the businesses. They get paid. They have a checkbook and a debit card. And they get to buy goods and services here in our little town. And of course, they're a citizen. So they learn good citizenship. They vote. They come up with the rules. And it truly is a place where possibilities happen. When you ask some of the students about their experience, of course they all want to come back. They all say, I didn't realize that my parents worked so hard. So it's a real economy. It's a real economy here. So we are thrilled with the success of the Tom Fox family GA BizTown and the Carl and Susan Haskell GA Finance Park. And just so you know, none of this here happens without all of our wonderful sponsors, those that help build the building, those sponsors that are sponsoring all of the storefronts, as well as we have such an outstanding and committed board of directors and staff that make junior achievement here in West Michigan one of the top 25 junior achievement chapters in the country based on students served and contact hours. In terms of financial stability, we're probably the 4th most stable nonprofit within the junior achievement family, in part because these are the values that are community emulation. And so we practice what we preach. Well, so we are thrilled to continue to take the vision. Julie Fox, who's with us today, representing the Fox family. Her dad was the visionary with me to make this happen, and I know he is looking down, seeing what this wonderful facility. And I talked earlier about how I come up. This is my spot right here, where I watch the kids. And when I'm standing there, I know that Tom is by my side watching those kids come in. So as we continue to make this program exciting, relevant, we are thrilled to be able to open up our newest storefront here with Grand Rapids Community College. So this is an opportunity for young students to begin to envision how education plays a critical role in their future success. I'm thrilled to have with us today President Charles Lepper, Dr. Lepper, from Grand Rapids Community College. And we're just thrilled that in prior areas where he has worked within the educational realm, has been involved with Junior Achievement GA BizTown. So he saw the possibility and is willing to make that a reality here. So a big round of applause for Dr. Lepper and Grand Rapids Community College.
Thank you, Bill. Do you all hear me okay? Okay. Well, this is really kind of a dream come true for me, and this is such an exciting day, but I'm also an alum of JA. So I was involved in junior achievement as a high school student, and back at that time, we made sort of CB clocks. If that gives you a sense of how long ago that was. But thank you all for joining us to celebrate this moment. This is just a great opportunity for us as a college and for a community. And this is really a significant step forward for us in fulfilling our mission as Grand Rapids Community College. And as we unveil this space, we really are committed to be part of the educational journey of our students from the time they enter pre-K to graduation through GRCC and beyond. So we are dedicated to fostering valuable partnerships that enrich the educational experiences of students and prepare them, as Bill said, for successful futures. And I believe JA helped me do that. And it was a vision that got us here to today. So why is this collaboration so important? Well, let's consider the evolving landscape our students face. In our fast-paced, ever-changing world, the demands of the workforce are continually shifting, and education must extend beyond traditional boundaries. It must be dynamic, interactive, and responsive to real-world needs. This partnership with Junior Achievement exemplifies our dedication to making education more relevant and impactful by bridging the gap between academic learning and practical experience. So I see this as more than a strategic alliance. This is a commitment to nurturing the next generation of leaders in our community. It is about empowering students to take charge of their futures, to innovate and to lead with integrity and vision. By equipping them with practical skills and real-world experiences, we are investing in their future, where our community thrives and grows through the leadership and success of its young people. So today's ribbon-cutting ceremony symbolizes the beginning of that exciting journey, and it's not something we did alone as GRCC. So Bill and his team here were an equal partner with us. We also had partners within GRCC. Jim Van Dockenberg, who is our Executive Director of Facilities, was involved in this project. Our Vice President of Finance Administration, Lisa Freiberger, as well as Progressive and other partners here in our community. So I just wanted to say thank you all for being here. This is an exciting moment for us. Your dedication and enthusiasm for all that were involved in making this a reality is really truly appreciated, and it's something that I will take great pride in as we cut this ribbon, and know that this will be here for future leaders in our community and students going through the educational journey, and hope that they think about how GRCC or any higher education will impact their future, and that they find that way to commit to that, identify their passion, and pursue their dreams and goals. So thank you all for being here, and so let's cut some ribbons.